Let's talk about AutoCAD's conceptual work environments: model space, paper space, and floating model space. Regardless of whether you're working in a PC or a Mac version of AutoCAD, there are two main conceptual environments in AutoCAD. Located at the bottom left-hand corner of the drawing environment, you'll see two tabs in a blank drawing. The first tab is titled Model, and the adjacent tab is listed as Layout by default, but can be renamed anything. Aside from the Model tab, every tab that you see adjacent to it is a paper space tab and represents a printed drawing sheet. Model space is where all the drafting occurs. All drawings and modeling are done on this tab in this work environment. All objects created in model space are drawn in real-world, full-size scale, also known as 1:1 scale. What that means, if you want to depict a 4-foot diameter table, you draw it full size. You draft a circle 4 feet in diameter to represent the table. Paper space is defined by the dimensions of a paper sheet. Even digital and virtual prints of drawings are defined by standard drawing sizes. As the production professional, you define the sheet sizes based on industry standards, which are covered in a different video. The paper space sheet is set up by creating a window called a viewport, in which you can literally view the contents of the model space through, much like a real window. Each paper space sheet may have one or more viewports highlighting different areas of the model space. The scale of each viewport is set by the drawing scale located in the bottom right-hand corner by picking on the viewport line first. You will not see the drawing scale listed if the viewport line is not selected. If you double-click inside the viewport window, you've activated floating model space, which is the distance between model space and the paper space sheet. In floating model space, you can also set the drawing scale, as well as make changes within model space. This third, often overlooked workspace in AutoCAD is the technology behind how a full-scale drawing is reduced to fit on a sheet. To activate floating model space, double-click inside the viewport window. You will know you are in floating model space when the viewport line is accentuated by a heavier than normal line weight. To deactivate floating model space, double-click anywhere outside the viewport window. You will know you are back on the paper space work environment, back on the paper space sheet, when the viewport line is no longer a bold line weight. Whatever changes you make to the model while you're in floating model space will be updated in the actual model space when you go back to the model space tab. It is not unusual to have several different sheets set up in the same DWG CAD file. There will always only be one model space tab, as indicated by the word model. If you're ever working in AutoCAD and do not see the model paper space tabs, you can get to each of the work environments through the command line prompt by typing in at the command line tile mode, all one word, the enter return key, 0, enter return. 0 tile mode sets the work environment in paper space. Similarly, if you type at the command line tile mode, enter, 1, enter, the workspace environment is set to model space.